in Google Gmail or Google Workspace, if you're tired of getting an email from somebody, you can block them. And so maybe somebody like your wife has been sending you a lot of messages and you got fed up with them and you blocked them. Now, all that really means is that all the emails that they send to you are going to land in your spam folder. That's all it means. They're just going to show up in your spam folder. But if you decide that you want to unblock them so that their messages show up in your inbox, this is how you unblock someone you've blocked in Gmail. You've got to go to settings under the sprocket, see all settings. And over here, you can see filters and blocked addresses. Click on that and look right there. The following email addresses are blocked, which means that these messages will appear in spam. That's all it means. They'll never know you blocked them. But if you don't want it going in spam anymore, you got to either click on that and select them and unblock selected, or you can simply go over here to the far right and you can hit unblock. And then they will appear in your inbox for any future email messages they send you. Now, hopefully, the person that you're blocked, you don't have to tell them that their message went to spam. It's in your inbox, and you can respond and engage with them accordingly. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy. I hope this is helpful for you.